Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.3. Here question number 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. You have to prove root 5 is irrational number. So, write down solution. Now I am going to use the method of contradiction. Let root 5 is rational number. Right, root 5 is rational number. There also root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are two integers and co-prime numbers. That means there is no common factor other than 1. A and B are integers and both are co-prime numbers. Or you can write here, squaring both sides, root 5 square, you can write a square by b square. Or you can write 5 equal to a square by b square. Or you can write 5b square equal to a square. 5b square equal to a square. That means a square is divisible by 5. Therefore, a square is divisible by, write down, 5. If a square is divisible by 5, then a is also divisible by 5. Or a is divisible by 5. After that write down. So, we can write a equal to, a is divisible by 5. That means you can write a equal to 5 into any integer, say c, where c is any integer. C is any integer. Or you can write a square equal to 25c square, squaring both sides. And here given 5b square equal to a square. So, in place of a square, you can put 5b square. 5b square equal to 25c square. Or you can write b square equal to 5c square. Divide by 5. That means, therefore, b square is divisible by 5 or b is divisible by 5. When b square is divisible by 5, then b is divisible by 5. Here, a is divisible by 5 and here b is divisible by 5. That means a and b has a common factor at least 5. But you took a, b are co-prime. That means there is no common factor other than 1. So write down, therefore, a and b have at least 5 as a common factor. A and B have at least 5 as a common factor. Therefore, A and B is not co-prime. But we took A and B both are co-prime numbers. After that write down, therefore, this contradicts the fact that A and B is co-prime number. Therefore, write down, therefore, root 5 is irrational number. Is an irrational number. So, you can prove root 7 in this way. You can prove root 9 in this way. So, this is the proof of root 5 is an irrational number by method of contradiction. Next, number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Here you have to prove this one. So, you have to use method of contradiction. This one also. Write down, let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are two integers. Are two integers and co-prime numbers. Now 2 into root 5 equal to, you can write a by b minus 3 or 2 root over 5 b a minus 3 b. Taking LCM b, or root over 5 we can write here, this one multiply, so change the side, it will be divided 2b a minus 3b. Here I took a and b are integers and both are co-prime. When a and b are integers, then 3b also integers, a minus 3b also integers, twice b is also integers. That means this one also integer, this one also integer. So this one rational number, which is a rational number. Rational number. Since a minus 3b and 2b are integers. Are integers. But we know that root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational number. So write down, therefore this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. Contradiction. Lastly, write down, therefore root 5 is irrational, is an irrational number. Therefore write down, therefore root 5 is irrational. Therefore write down 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Write down and you will practice at home. Number 3, prove that the following are irrationals. Number 1 by root over 2, 7 root 5, and number 3, 6 plus root over 2. So write 1 by 1, write down answer. Number 1, let 1 by root over 2 is rational number. Is rational number. Write down. Therefore 1 by root over 2 equal to a by b, where a and b are integers and co-prime. Or you can write root over 2 equal to b by a, which is rational. Which is rational number. There, but root 2 is an irrational number. But root 2 is an irrational number, but here you got this one is, you took rational, but root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, by method of contradiction, we get 1 by root over 2 is an irrational number. Write down. Next, number 2. Let 7 root over 5 is a rational number. Therefore, 7 root over 5 equal to a by b. Write as previous one, where a and b are integers and co-prime numbers. Or you can write root over 5 equal to a by 7b, which is rational number. But root 5 is an irrational number. So this contradicts. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. Therefore write down 7 root 5 is an irrational number. 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Write down. Let's write down number 3. 6 plus root over 2 is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root over 2 equal to a by b, where a and b are integers and both are co-prime. Next write down, or root over 2 equal to a by b minus 6, or you can write root over 2 equal to, if you take LCM b, a minus 6b, which is rational number, because you can write the reason, because a minus 6b, b and b are integers, but root 2 is an irrational number. So this is a contradiction. Therefore, you can write down 6 plus root over 2 is an irrational number. Write down. You will practice at home. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.